First of all, the product's got to be valuable to your customer and it matches what they're looking for. Now, if you already have done for you affiliate products that actually convert, they've been tested and proven to convert, then you already have that problem resolved. So that's already taken care of for you. But if you're thinking that you need to create your own product and then you have to market it out there, if your product does not have the credibility that it needs just yet, it's going to be hard to actually get your customers to buy. So I would recommend that in order to keep that customer retention and to get repeat sales from those customers, you got to make sure that your product is proven to convert. So you got to get involved with other people's products that are already done for you and are proven to convert. There are proven to convert offers. Now, the other big thing in getting repeat sales and to retain customer retention is you got to give them a reason why they should buy this product. And that reason is in the form of bonuses. You can actually create your own branded bonuses for your customers, for your leads. You got to give them a reason why they should do business with you and why they should upgrade with you. So bonuses are a great way to actually go about doing that. And for instance, like let's say you want to sign somebody at gold. Like let's say the company offer that you're promoting has a gold level of membership. And so when you're actually going out there and marketing that company offer, you're promoting out there that, okay, gold costs this much. But a lot of people want to get the incentive, like, why should I upgrade to gold with you? And one of the things that you can offer is, well, if you upgrade to gold with me, I can give you my free 30-day social media content calendar. So you know what to post for 30 days on your profile, and you can rinse and repeat that process. Now, having a bonus like that will incentivize your leads, your potential customers, to get signed up with you. But just keep in mind, the bonuses must be complementary to whatever it is that you're selling.